so good. 약간 단짠의 정석이에요. 고구마 부분은 완전 달고 탑 부분은 맵고 짠 느낌? 오늘은 제 남자친구 엄마가 저희 집에 오시는 날이에요. 근데 최근에 설날이었잖아요. 그래서 떡국을 한번 만들어 보려고 합니다. 근데 아마 한식을 드셔본 적이 한 번도 없으실 거예요. 그래서 과연 떡국을 좋아하실지 너무너무 기대가 됩니다. 소고기는 이거를 사용을 할 거예요.
Smooth parking from Katrina.
Hello. There's one. In you get. Alex, stay in. Give me a sec.
Scarlett! Come here, baby!
Probably boy inside.
Rocky! Rocky, where are you going, Rocky? Gonna say hello to me.
He's touring the house.
Hello, Gigi.
How was the journey?
Well, it was okay, but there was a lot of traffic at the dark for tunnel.
I'm making some Korean food. Have you tried any Korean food before?
No, I don't think I have.
Excited.
He's having a little sniff. As long as you don't wee on the floor, mate. You're very nosy, Rocky. He's having a little sniff around.
Hello.
Korean food coming your way. You ready?
Right, I will try it.
My one. So chuck it in. Go in. That's the egg.
Oh.
You can't eat egg.
No. I'm
Really?
really
You can
sorry.
take it out. Take it out. It's not going to ruin the taste. It's not had egg all in it.
Do you have egg allergy?
I just have a real aversion to eggs.
Well, what one do you like the look of the most? This one's spicy and this one's like black and meaty.
Well, why don't you just make the pasta?
Yes, mate.
Do you want some?
This could be funny. I might be better off with the knife and fork. Sorry.
This is interesting to me, Mum.
What's that?
You eating noodles?
Why?
Is it good? Or you can just like swirl it like a pasta. It's easier. would it be better with spoon? You
No,
make
it's
it
fine. No, it's fine.
Is it white though?
What does it taste
Well,
like?
You
It
don't.
tastes fine. No, it tastes fine. It's because I can't eat with my front teeth at the moment.
Yeah.
I've got to have a bridge done eventually, but it's got to heal up.
Does it taste nice though?
It tastes very nice, Harry.
Doesn't it taste like gravy? He said it tastes like gravy.
I don't mind a bit of gravy. I love gravy.
Good.
This is the first time Rocky's having Korean food.
Can I give it to him?
I think he likes it. Yeah, if you
Rocky.
if you tap him over, he'll come over to you.
Scarlett, come. Come.
I love it.
You got some kombucha?
What's wrong, Rocky?
What's it called? Kombucha.
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 Yeah, yummy. Look at the fish. Isn't it cool?
Go for a swim.
Look at that.
Look at the fish. It's eating.
What do you think, Rocky?
Rocky's actually interested.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's going to be milk and stuff in the fridge.
That's nice.
There's a fridge.
That's very cool.
There's
Yeah.
a little wardrobe over there as well.
There's milk in the fridge.
Lovely.
Oh, my hand. My hand.
Give Scarlett one as well. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, you're
You
so
were literally munching on it.
Yum, yum. Why are you eating grass? Why are you eating grass? Come here, you cute little baby. Oh, come here.
Showering down. Good boy.
Good boy. Here.
Sorry, baby.
The butt touch one.
And make sure you do it under his belly.
Roky's really well behaved. I'm very impressed,
He used to be.
Roky. It's alright. It's alright. Everything is okay.
I think he slightly likes it, but he just doesn't want to pretend that he likes it. That's so cute.
It's a massive burger, Harry.
Yeah, it's a dirty burger.
That looks quite messy.
Yeah, happy?
No. The dudes are keeping company tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, I love it. He was losing patience. So what have you done to your hair?
I just look dirty.
Which product did you use? Did you wash it?
Yeah, it's not coming off.
오늘은 이 립스틱을 이용해서 페이스 마스크를 해줄 거예요. 향이 진짜 로즈 향이 나네요. 10분이 지나서 지금 이제 씻어보려고 합니다. 저 아직도 안 발랐어요. 두껍게 발라서 그런지. 이 핑크 세럼을 사용을 해서 스킨케어를 해줄 거예요. 여러분, 제가 이제 비자가 얼마 안 남았어요. 5월 말에 비자가 만료되는데, 그래서 제 남자친구랑 같이 한국에 돌아갈 것 같아요, 여러분. 이렇게 마스크까지 완료가 됐습니다. 그리고 오늘은 이 아르간 오일을 사용을 해서 헤어 마사지를 해줄 거예요. 제가 요즘 머리에 각질이 일어나가지고 저 고민이 많거든요. 그래서 아르간 오일을 한번 사봤어요. 지금 확실히 약간 각질이 좀 줄은 것 같기는 해요. 근데 단점이 이거 한번 이렇게 바르고 나면은 엄청 기름이 진다는 거. 이렇게 오일을 발랐는데 보이시죠? 엄청 기름진 거. 그래서 이 오일을 쓸 때는 다음날 어디 안 나가거나 아침에 머리 감을 여유가 있을 때만 사용을 합니다. 조선시대 아니오자 같지 않아요, 지금? 저는 아침 스킨케어를 먼저 해볼게요. 여러분 아침에 물 세안하세요? 저는 원래 물 세안만 했었었는데 요즘에는 엔젤스 베어온 스킨을 쓰고 있거든요. 제가 피부가 민감한 편인데 이걸 쓰면은 피부가 진짜 보들보들해지는 느낌. 이렇게 유지가 섞어가지고 잘 느끼십니다. 아, 냄새가 너무 좋아요. 와주셔서 제 최애템 중에 하나입니다. 아, 피부가 훨씬 부드러워졌어요, 진짜. 요즘에 약간 이 턱 주변에 화이트헤드가 좀 생겨가지고 티트리 성분을 이용을 해서 이렇게 관리 중이에요. 오늘은 런던 사는 친구가 캠브리지로 놀러 오는 날이어가지고 이제 시내로 나가볼게요. 이 토미걸 향수를 뿌려볼게요. 얘는 약간 은은한 사과랑 바닐라 섞인 향? 시트러스 계열 향수예요.